Stop staying up till midnight just to be the first one to wish someone a happy birthday. You can write the message now and have it send itself at midnight. Let me show you how. Open the Play Store, search for Skedit and install it. Open it, then sign in or just skip. Allow its notifications. Tap the plus at the bottom, choose WhatsApp, and tap Get Started. It'll walk you through the permissions it needs, and there are a few. Turn on all of the following: accessibility, auto launch, background activity, display over other apps, and bypass screen lock. For the screen lock one, you give it your PIN so it can unlock and send on its own. That's a lot of access, so only do this if you're okay with it. Head back, tap the plus again, and choose WhatsApp. Pick the person, type your message, and set the date and time. Then tap the tick, and that's it. It's scheduled. You only do all that setup once, so after this, it's just a few taps each time, and your phone still needs to be on at the time for it to go. Save this so you never miss sending one at the right moment again. And if you'd rather not hand out your phone number to everyone on WhatsApp, you can now use a username instead. Tap the video on your screen, and I'll show you how to set one up.